Good morning, everybody. It is June the 16th. I come down to see what's going on with the demolition, and I get to see the line painting truck. So I figured I'd catch it in the video. They're repainting the lines on the boulevard. Why not? Anyway, it is 10:22 a.m., 84 degrees. There's nothing going on across the way. There's the following truck. But there's nothing going on over there. I guess they're still waiting for trucks to come in to load everything up. I'll check up at Shaw Sinclair, see what might be going on there. Oh, it's still got more coming. I didn't realize. Line painting, do not pass. Look at the traffic behind it. But again, nothing's going on across the street. I went up to the other, where they demolished the other buildings up on Shaw and see if anything's going on today. Yeah, nothing's going on here today. If they were ripping it down, which they've already done, or backfilling or loading debris, I'd video it. But there's nothing going on there. So we'll check up on Shaw and Sinclair. Or Shaw and Jenny Lynn, whatever I should call it. And from what they tell me, all these buildings here are going. So who knows, maybe I'll get the last few views of the buildings before they're torn down. I do not know. Why do people love to walk in the street? I don't care where you're at anymore. I think people would rather walk in the street than on the sidewalks. It doesn't look like there's anything going on up the road there either. But we'll find out. Yeah, this is all supposed to be going. Mr. Policeman. No, it doesn't look like there's anything going on up here either. They've got it 90% backfilled, 99% backfilled. But there's no crew up here that I can tell. There's a crew down at 5th and Sheridan, Lyle and Sheridan. Well, I'm told the old bakery in 10th Ward is soon going to be tore down, which I think was also the deli hut. I'll head over that way and see what's going on. Here we are in 10th Ward. Yeah, I got a message that they're supposed to tear down the old bakery. And this side's all empty parking lot for, I guess it's Duquesne Light. Remember the bar that used to be there? Well, I think what they're talking about is this building, which I knew is the deli hut. So I did. $219 painted up on the wall there. No, I don't know what it means. But I knew this as the deli hut. And I believe this is the old bakery building. Yeah, the facing's falling off. Yeah, up there. Some of the bottom's cracking too. I hope if they do start tearing it, that I'll be able to get down here to video. What happened there? Well, naturally it's condemned. And I'll take a ride through 10th Ward since I'm down here. It's been a while since I've done a ride through 10th Ward. A lot of the homes gone from what I remember down here. Do any of y'all remember when that red building up there and that lot where the school buses are was Harmon Lumber? There used to be a train siding that came in and crossed the road up there a little ways, in and out of Harmon Lumber. And if my memory is right, please leave me messages tell me if I'm wrong. Right in here, wasn't there an A&P or something? Years and years ago. They've cut some tree down somewhere. I see on YouTube all those chippers that people video that they're chipping up trees and branches and everything. That is a hell of a pothole. And I just wonder why they don't do that when I see trunks and branches in many places. And here's our sewage treatment plant. So it is. Here we have Knapp's Landing and a backhoe or a track hoe and a skid steer working down there. I wonder if somebody lives in that trailer. Doesn't look like it, but I really wonder. would say they're unloading the scrap. I would think. Truck's going out behind me. Yeah, but I would say they're unloading scrap here. Maybe they're loading it in the truck. I think they're unloading it. Alright. I guess that's was a way in, or is a way in. No, I don't know the alley names. I'm not sure the road names down here either. I don't know if you would call this an alley or a street. I would say a street with the homes facing it. But figure since I'm over here, I'll catch 10th Ward as good as I can. These homes seem to be kept up nice, which is good. Then you have the places where buildings have been torn down. I know the lady that lives over there. So that's an abandoned one. Boards on the windows missing. I guess somebody got a flat. I assume there was homes there at one time. Beware of the dog. Nice long fence here. There's nothing on my right-hand side. I didn't live in 10th Ward. I don't know if anything was ever over here or not. Business. Again, nothing at all over there. don't know. Now hiring. Is that big yellow building empty? There's a car in front of it and it's trimmed up nice, so I doubt it. Smart home. I think that was where Cliff lived. This street going back sign says no outlet. I'm glad I don't have any traffic behind me. That way I'm not getting everybody upset because I'm going slow. And as right as I said it, I see a pair of headlights coming. Which I think turned. Is this still R&W oil? I think so. They may be open for business, but everything seems like dead. Alright, now we're coming back on Pacific. Train coming through. You know me, folks, I like trains. What am I going to get here? It's gotta be cold. Swing right up the street here and film the rest of it. Wonder if we'll see Tubby. There's Elsie. Taco? There's Tubby. There's Tubby. So the coal trains are still rolling. I'm just not seeing them up in Versaillesboro anymore. I believe this one's empty. And there's the end of the train. That car's got a rip up in the side of it. Alright. I'm going to end it there. Y'all take care now. We'll see ya.